In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use desktop widgets on Ticktick. Whether you're trying to optimize your productivity or simply streamline your daily tasks, learning how to use desktop widgets can be a game changer. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to locate the hidden icons on your taskbar. This is typically found in the lower right corner of your screen. You'll see a small upward arrow that, when clicked, reveals a variety of hidden application icons. This is where you'll find the essentials that you may not have realized were right under your fingertips, hidden and neatly organized for quick access. Once you click that upward arrow, the next task is to right click on the Ticktick icon. This step is crucial because it opens up a context menu offering you several options related to Ticktick. If you've been using Ticktick for your task management, you'll know that these settings can really enrich your experience by giving you faster access to the features you use most. From the menu that appears, you'll want to hover over the option that says Add Desktop Widget. It's an excellent feature for anyone who wants to keep their most critical tasks and reminders front and center on their desktop. Hovering over this option will expand it, showing you various widgets that you can add to your desktop, each serving different purposes based on your needs. Now, what you're looking for is the task widget. Go ahead and click on that option. The task widget is a powerful tool because it allows you to have a small window on your desktop that is always visible and constantly updating, ensuring you're always on top of your to-do list without having to jump back and forth between applications. Once your task widget is added, you're ready to start using it. Type in your first task directly in the widget window. After entering your task, you'll simply press enter. This adds the task to your list, which updates automatically. It's as simple as that, and from now on, you can stay on top of your tasks, all visible right on your desktop. These desktop widgets act like sticky notes on your computer, ensuring you never miss a beat in your daily schedule. By integrating them into your routine, you can enhance your productivity and maintain focus on what truly matters. And there you have it. You've successfully added a desktop widget from Ticktick. Using widgets can not only keep you more organized, but can truly enhance your daily productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful as you continue to manage your tasks more efficiently.